Okay guys, I'm going to do two problems from your homework just to make life a little bit easier for you. This is the section 5-7 where you are learning the laws and properties of logarithms. Okay, so that's 5-7 there. Anyway, it's just the log of two numbers that are being multiplied is the same as the log of one number plus the log of the other number. Okay, so these are the three laws that we went over in class. The log of a over b is just the log of a minus log of b, and the log of a to the nth power, you just bring the n out front and it's just n times the log of a. Okay, so we're going to apply that now in problem number 13 right here, and all we do is we say, alright, well, if there's a number out front, I bring that inside. This becomes the natural log of 2 to the third power. I bring this 1/2 inside, and that's then the natural log of 49. Well, to the 1/2 power, that's the square root of 49 minus the log of 14. Okay? Well, if I'm subtracting two logs, that's no different than if I'm dividing this one on top with that one underneath. And the square root of 49 is just 7. So this becomes plus the log of 7 over 14. Well, that's just 1/2. All right, so I'll take care of that in a minute. This then is 2 to the third. That's just 8. So this becomes the log of 8. Sometimes it's useful to expand them. Sometimes you can leave them in exponential form. It doesn't make a huge difference. Now the sum of two logs then is just going to be equal to the log of 8 times, well, 1/2. And then that, of course, is equal to the log of 4. All right? So that's your final answer. Okay? The next one we're going to do is from 23, all right? And we're going to say, all right, we've got the log base 2 of 11. I don't know what that is. I'll set that equal to x, all right? And we're going to derive what's called the change of base formula. And we'll do it this way. We just say, all right, I can cross this out and bring that over as the base number like we learned last lesson. So 2 to the x equals 11. I'll just recopy that so you can see it clearly. And now if I take the log base 10 of both sides, log of this side, and then I take the log of this side, log base 10 of 2 to the x, we can use our law of logarithms that brings the x out front, and then I get the log of 11 is going to be equal to x times the log of 2. All right, because I brought that x out front. Well, I want to get x by itself, so I just divide both sides by the log of 2, and that's what equals x. All right, so I take my calculator and I put, guys, press the log button. I type in 11, and I divide that by the log of 2, because now remember this is log base 10. All right, so log base 10 of 11 divided by log base 10 of 2 gives me what x is. That's how you do those problems.